Hi and welcome to membership registration system developed using Java Eclipse. So what I'm going to do is to demonstrate how this works. Okay, right there we have excess name, so we can always click on delete and delete. The other problem is, supposing you don't select any name you want to delete, you click on that, the system asks you to select whatever you want to delete. Okay, so we deleted some stuff there. Okay, what we can do now is, supposing we want to add a new value to fill up the table, all we just need to do is click on reset here. As you can see, is reset that, enter the customer's reference number. Let's say that's the reference number and the customer's name. Supposing the name is Fatin Johnny. Alright, okay, Fatin Johnny. So let's come in here, enter address of Miss Johnny. So, and she lives in let's say Johnson Close. Right, that's where she lives, and the postcode of that is UT. And telephone number of Miss Johnny. There we go. And date, let's say it's today's date. Okay, proof of ID, or let's say she wants to use a passport and she wants to be monthly, no, that's yearly, annual, and the fee for that. All we just need to do is to add that. We can add Miss Fatin there, and there we go. Okay, we can print it out if we want, print out all the information we have in here. So what I'm going to do now is to take you guys straight into Eclipse development environment, and we'll put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys. Hi and welcome to Java Eclipse tutorial of membership registration system. I'm going to start by clicking on File, New Project. And right there we just call it registration system. Right, that's going to be the name of my project, and let's click on finish. Okay, let's go into the project files area. Okay, right there let's look for registration. There we go. Right click on it. Let's just open it up. Okay, right click and new, scroll right down, select other, and right inside this dialog box what we need is window builder. And for your information, if you don't have window builder on your system, there are a lot of tutorial of how to install this window builder on YouTube. Okay, drop down the window builder, and I want to select frame, JFrame, this very one. Click on next, and there I'm going to give my project a name, registration system. Click on finish. There we go. There, if I click on design, and you guys will see the form, the JFrame form itself building up. And right there, guys, that's the form ready. So I'm going to click on source to increase the size of this form. You can always drag if you want. Okay, you can drag it, but inside the source it's more accurate, because here we have the starting point, which is 100 by 100. I don't want that. I want it to be 0 by 0. Okay, so which means when the frame starts, it will actually start from 0 by 0 all the way, and I want this to be 1400. Why? That's the width. The height will be 800. There, that is that done. And see right underneath here where we have private JPanel, and so on, right in there. I'm going to declare something, let's say private, because I need it for the print. So it's going to be JFrame. That will be frame. So just get that out of the way. Enter comma in there. Now if I click back on the form, this is what you guys will see. That's the whole form. Now let me minimize this package explorer. There we go. And I'm going to open up my palette. On the palette I need JPanel. This is one. Click and bring it right in. Oh, I don't want that really. Let's just leave there. But in here first, what I want to do is right click on the panel itself. Okay, let's right click, do that again. I want to select set layer, let it be absolute. I don't want those division in there. So if I click on the panel now, I can now bring my panel in there and draw it the way I want. Even this panel, I need to make it absolute. So let's click select layer, absolute layer as well. So that is fine for this very panel now. Okay, I'm going to need a couple of these panels. I'm going to need about 4. Alright, so we can always copy from these anyway, but first thing first, let me enhance this very panel first. I will now go to the structure. The structure is more or less like the properties. So in here you see where we have the border. I'm going to click on border and let's look for something suitable. So drop down the default and I'm going to come in here, click on that. Okay, let's make these. I'm going to make it pronounced. Let's say 14 by 14 by 14. That means the edge around it. If I click on OK, you'll see it's all 14 by 14. But let's add a bit of color to it. Click on the color. Just look for any suitable color that you want. And I'm going to come in here, name the colors. Okay, the color that I want is not here, so let me go to the next radio button here, click on that, and the color that I want is right here. There, it's called candidate blue. Click on that and just click on OK. Click on OK again, and that is it. Now for the background, you see, come here, click on the background. We need the same, and the next one is candidate blue, but this one happens to be cadet blue for the other one, so it's candidate blue I want now. Alright, I want the candidate blue for the edge and powdered blue for the inside. Alright, that's it. So I'm just going to copy this and whatever I've copied, I'm going to paste it right in there. There. See the very first one, this one. Let's come in here and just increase the width. So I'm going to make that. I'm going to copy all of that. This is the width. Paste that in there. Let it start from maybe 10 by 10 and reduce this to about 390. Yeah. And this is going to be about maybe 700. Let's see how it's going to look like. Let's come right down here. There we go. Look at that, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is going to be right inside here. Paste another one. You can copy that and paste. I need one. It's going to be one down here. 14. There's going to be another one, and there's going to be one here. So just move it there. If I collapse all of these now, I can now define the whole interface the way I want. This is going to be for my heading. Let's bring it right down here. Right, and this will be for my table up to somewhere there. Right underneath here there will be one more. Move this up a little bit. And this will be for this next one will be for the members details. Right, let's run it and see how it's going to look like. Click. For now this is how it looks, but I'm going to have to do some more tidying up. Okay, let's end it. Right, seems my frame isn't that. May have to come in here anyway and just reduce it a little bit more. Let's go inside the source code. Maybe make it about 6 and see how that will work. Okay, I brought it in finally. So let's reduce this a little bit more so that we can drag these guys up. And the one right here as well. Bring them all up. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is to enter a title here. So let me go straight to the palette there. I'm going to select the label and just enter the title. There we go. So the title of that is going to be membership. Registration systems. Right, so let's increase the font of that. So let's go to the structure in there. We can increase this font there. So I'm going to make that bold. Take it down, let's say about maybe 50. Right, there we go, guys. All right, the other bit that is left now is I'm going to add another label here, right here, and let me increase the size of that label to 20. Make it bold as well and make that 20. There we go. And that label is going to be mine. I'm going to call that very label. Let's see, let me just copy it across first. So that I need 10 of those. That's 2 now. Copy. We have 4. Copy. And we have 8 in total there. And we need 2 more. I'm going to have to do something about this. Move this down a little bit. We need more room. And copy, paste. There we go. Right, that's my labels in place. Now we need 10. No, we're going to need not 10. I think we're going to need about 7 of those. Let's increase that to 20 as well. There. Right, so we copy that, paste. Select both. delete that because I only need 7. Then I need a combo box. There we go. One here. Copy and paste. And one more here. There. Now we need some buttons here. We need 4 of those. 1. Let's change the size anyway. There. Make that bold. And let's copy it across. We're gonna need 4 of those. Copy, paste, and paste another one, and one more. Now, see here, we need table. We need a table right here. So the first thing I like to do is, let me come right here. I need a scroll. I need a scroll plane. Yeah, there we go, right there. So let's drag it first so that we have enough room. Scroll, J scroll plane, and paste that right here. Whoa, that's not good enough. I'm gonna do that. Undo. Let's make sure it's not here. Yeah, it's not there. Alright, let's try that again. Click. And just draw. There we go, guys. Yeah, increase the size of that. Yeah, about that. Okay, now I need a table right in there. Right in here. So the thing is, let's see the structure inside the structure. That's the plane there. Now grab a table, click, and paste that in here. That's my table. The table. Okay, you see, I'm going to select the structure for the table. Let's select the structure and make it visible here. You see where we have mode? I'm going to click on that, and right here I need about 10 of those. Right, now let's add a row. This very first row, I'm going to change the name of that to reference number. And that's my reference number. You can just drag it so that you see that the next one is going to be known as first name. Then we have surname, followed by address. And then we have postcode, followed by telephone. Right, the next one is going to be date of registration. I just call it date reg. Then I have proof of ID. Then let's come in here and just enter member type or membership type. And finally, the last one is going to be in here. Let's enter amount paid. Right there guys, that is how it looks. So let's maybe add another column. I don't know. Okay, let's just click on OK and see. There we go. That's it. So all that is left for me to do now is, you see all of these, I need to enhance the appearance. First of all, let's change those names, and this one is going to be reference number. Okay, we have reference number there. This is going to be first name, and let's speed that up. Okay, all done. This is how it looks now. Let me just try it out and see how it looks. Okay guys, this is how it looks, apart from I need to add some stuff here. I'll move this aside and add some codes here as well. Alright, let's close that. Let's go for proof of ID. Let's come in here, proof of ID. That's going to include as follows. Let's see, am I on the right part? Yes, I am. Click, I think that's going to be, let's go for student. Driving license. Okay. Then let's go for pilot license. And what is it? Maybe passport. Yeah. Okay. And maybe we'll leave a space there, so we can then select. Then the next one, type of membership. So type of member, let's say monthly. Let's leave a space as well. Or we can just say make a selection. Alright. Then we have quarterly. We have 6 months. Then we have annually. So the price will vary. So let's copy that and put that here. Come in here and make a selection there. Now the payment we have. Okay, so for the payment, make a selection as well. So it's going to range from, let's say 45 quarterly. That's going to be 120. Then 6 months. Let's make 6 months 200. 200. And annually we're going to make that 350, or maybe 380. Yeah, 370. That's fine. There we go. Right, so if we run it now, first of all, let's move this in a little bit. A little bit more. Yeah. Save and run. Let's see. There we go, guys. So if I drop this down, yeah, that's monthly and proof of ID, maybe pilot license. Okay, that's fine, guys. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of the very first part of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly.